2024 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as four-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.